Hey, everybody, it's time to start science. Remember, science is the study of natural things. As scientists, we investigate things by looking closely at them, listening to them, touching them, maybe smelling them, or even tasting them. We investigate things in the natural world. Well, you all have already lived on this planet for at least 6 years, most of you. So you already know a lot about living things. You already know a lot about how living things survive. I listened to your videos yesterday about how you think spruce is going to survive. And many of you already know some things. So we're going to continue, we're going to talk about the ideas that we already have. Okay? And we are going to look at one animal as an example. Does anyone know the name of this animal? Let's pause. Good. This is a porcupine. What do you think you know about porcupines? Let's pause. All right. So we can see here in the picture that porcupines have 4 legs, dark fur, and sharp spines on its back. Porcupines live in a forest like this one. What's a forest? What do you already know about a forest? Let's pause. Yes, very good ideas. The forest has many animals, trees, plants, and small streams. Friends, what do you think the porcupine needs? What do you think the porcupine needs to do in order to survive in the forest where it lives? Let me ask it one more time. What do you think the porcupine needs to do to survive, which means stay alive, in the forest where it lives? Let's pause and get some of your ideas. Great, you had a lot of good ideas. Here's another animal, leopards. Leopards also live in the forest. They try to eat porcupines when they find them. Leopards have spotted fur, claws, and sharp teeth. How does the porcupine survive with leopards around? Let's pause. Good ideas. The next question as scientists we're going to ask and answer is, what would happen if a leopard tried to eat a porcupine? Let's pause. Now close your eyes and picture this in your head. The porcupine has a baby. And then that baby grows up. Now, imagine that baby all grown up. Would that grown up baby look exactly like its parent? What would be different? What would be a little different? What would be completely different? Why do you think so? So the first question asked us, well, we have 3 questions to answer, or 4 actually. The first question asked us, would that grown-up baby look exactly like its parent? Exactly like its parent. If you think the grown-up would look exactly, show a thumbs up. If you think no, it wouldn't look exactly, show a thumbs down. Let's see your answer. All right, I see a little bit of both. Would it look a little different than its parent? Let's pause and see what you think. Okay, interesting answers. My next question is, would it look completely different? Meaning it looks nothing like, the mom and the baby look nothing alike. Let's pause and see what you think. Okay, interesting. Why do you think so? Let's pause and see what you think. So I want you to think about the grown-up baby. The grown-up baby, it's now a grown-up. Will the grown-up baby, now it's a big porcupine, will it have to survive in the same way as its parent did? Or will it survive in a different way? Same, or it's going to be different? Let's see what you think. All right, I'm going to call on one of you to explain why do you think that? Let's pause. Interesting answers. So that ends our science lesson for today. You are going to go into Seesaw and do the activity that goes along with it. Let me explain what that is. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and show you now. You're going to go into Seesaw and you're going to find the activity called Talking About the Porcupine. And you're going to click on Add Response. And then you are going to talk about the porcupine and you're going to answer this question. Okay? It says, how does the porcupine protect itself from the leopard? So how does the porcupine protect itself from the leopard? So you're going to click on your mic like that. You're going to click Start Recording. Okay, you know you're recording because it's red. You're going to answer the question. The porcupine protects itself from the leopard because it, and you're going to tell us what it does to protect itself. Click Done. And then you are done with that activity. So go ahead and get started on that, thinking as scientists about how would a porcupine, what would be, maybe there's more than one way protect itself, okay? All right, see you, scientists.